That's it. What's up guys, Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech Unraveled. And today I have the Pamu Nano true wireless earbuds. I got one for me and one for you. Yes, this is yet another giveaway video. Sit back, relax, grab that popcorn. Let's do this. Let's go right meow. Alright guys, so before we get started into the audio portion of the test, I wanted to let you know, again, this is a giveaway video. I'm going to be giving away the black Pamu Nanos here. This is a worldwide giveaway, so everybody enter. There's going to be a link down in the description explaining everything, what you got to do, how to enter, how to win, the whole shebang. Down there in the description, click on that link. So I'm looking at this case here, and I gotta say it's small, but it is not as small as I would personally like it, but it is still pocketable. The lid will stay open, but if you move it a little bit, it will close. Some of the lids, you know, you gotta snap to close. I like those. A solid hinge is an absolute must. But I'm looking at this thing, right? I'm looking at this. Is it an Among Us character? You know what else it gives me? It gives me Nexus 6P vibes. I miss my Nexus 6P. Let's jump into the audio test. Let's get cranked up to 11 all the way. Highs are very crispy right off the bat. Okay, not bad. Bluetooth 5.0, touch buttons, IPX6 waterproof certification, 6 hours of playback, Qualcomm aptX codec, $49.99 right now on Pamu's website. What do I think? The audio is crystal clear as far as the highs are concerned. I was able to hear everything clear. The highs were really, cat hair floating around. The highs were really good. The mids were solid. I was able to feel the mids. They were milky, they were smooth. The bass, although did not rattle my brain, it was good. It was okay. It wasn't pounding. I like that mega bass. I like the rattling, to feel it in my soul. Didn't feel it in my soul, but it was good. The overall listening experience was quite nice. I think that anybody that's got a spare 50 bucks for a pair of earbuds would be satisfied at that price point with this sound quality. With that said, all right guys, before I start the mic test, I gotta explain something. The giveaway was up to me as far as which one that I wanted to do, but I put it out on Twitter. AJ here, he said that it had to be black. Always bet on black. That's why these are the ones that are being given away. With that said, let's do the mic test. Alright guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Pamu Nano True Wireless Earbuds. Let's go ahead and introduce some ambient sounds into the background. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Pamu Nano True Wireless Earbuds with ambient noise running in the background. Let me know down in the comment section what you think. Do they sound good? Are they able to still sound clear while I'm talking to you with ambient noise running in the background? Let me know down in the description what you think. All right guys, before we start the next segment of the video, please do me a favor, smash that thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you have notifications turned on. It'll help me and the channel out so much. Let's jump back into the video. Alright guys, so it is latency test time, and as always on this channel, we test with an Android and iOS device so you can kind of get an idea of how each one is going to react with your own phone. So for the Android device, I am using a OnePlus 8 Pro, and for the iOS device, I am using an Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Up first is going to be the Android phone, so let's get started with that. Here we go. All right, let's get switched over to the iPhone now. All right, guys, there you have it. We did an audio test, a mic test, and a latency test. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.